are the ones. If they are, they are. If not, they're not. So 1 to 3. 1, 2, or 3. And I'll begin with 3, then I'll do 2, then I'll do 1. Okay? Because it's my birthday. So if you chose number 3, let's see. Something just happened. It's spiritual stuff, don't worry. Got this. You have found the key inside of you. What now are you going to do? You have found the key, the treasure chest you open to. Choosing number 2. Oh, I don't want to make it too creepy for you. I'm going to do it. I have to, like it stood out. I apologize if you have a child sleeping right now. So the house is sleeping, you might want to lower the volume. Because it's going to be like loud. Might jump scare somebody. Ready? Shows that others are watching, but you may think that no one knew what happened or what you did, but some are watching. They're keeping tabs, they're looking in on you, they're writing notes, they're making notes of things. It shows no escape. Though freedom exists, you must face the reality of what you have to work on. What has to be articulated in a way that you get it off your chest. Say you have a really big secret. A secret so big that even yourself, even you, don't even like to think about it. Take a moment to breathe into the heart center. Opening the communication with the ancestors. dream together, to have guidance for those who are allowed to give that awesomeness option. Not all of you are ready. Some of you think you don't dream, but you do. So if you chose number 2, I'm asking that you take notes of yourself, that you write the things out that you feel that others might be watching or noticing, or something that you feel is a secret, and that you allow yourself to heal and work through that so that you can process it and it's no longer a problem and you're not trying to escape it. You're looking at it and identifying and comprehending that there needs to be an adjustment. If you chose number 1, there's 2 of them that I want to do for number 1. I'm going to do that one, then I'm going to do the other one. We'll see if I get to the other one. Okay, loved ones, ready? Just once, before I go to bed, or I have to do more work. I think I have to do YouTube next. For those who are present, for healing. consciousness in the families, to stop the fighting and arguing, that there's a very calm peace that comes in, that those of us who do not want to be arguing or negative with each other, that we can communicate in true ways and loving ways of purification. Loving is in love. Love us, love we, love thee, love they. Love the integration of the oneness as if we're all family. All of our souls loving each other's souls, like a flower of light that glows and expands and vibrates, illuminating creation with the purity of consciousness to collaborate, integrate, and to love unconditionally. Thank you. Blessed love. It's interesting because I have so many nationalities, and I do my best to wish peace and no war. The day of his birth, they signed a peace treaty. It was a big one, and different things happened for creation in different areas, and it's so much to see and witness. So if we're not being in action, what are we doing? And take moments when you wake up before you go to bed to envision the ones who are innocent and alone, who are not needing to feel alone, that they could feel hugged, that they could feel nourished. When you eat, envision nourishing them too, and that plants will grow that are sustainable. And let us visualize not just giving thanks and saying a repeated same prayer when eating. Really envision what we're receiving and